Jump in!
We're off to get Daddy Pig's gift.
Okay, bye. Have fun.
See you later.
Today is Valentine's Day, and everyone has lots to do to make the day extra special.
First, we need to decorate, Peppa. Let's stick some paper hearts up, just like this.
Hooray!
Peppa and Daddy Pig are having lots of fun decorating the house with paper hearts.
Oh, gotcha! All done. Great job, Peppa.
It looks lovely. What's next, Daddy?
Now it's time to bake a delicious Valentine's cake. Ah, I forgot to get the ingredients.
Ah. Come on, we'll get them at the supermarket.
On their way to the supermarket, Peppa and Daddy have spotted Mummy and George at the treehouse.
Oh,
What are they doing?
They are digging a hole.
Come on, George. Dig with me like this. Dig, dig, digging, digging a hole. Dig, dig, digging, we're on a roll.
Meanwhile, in the supermarket, Peppa and Daddy have found what they need to make the Valentine's cake.
Here's the eggs and chocolate.
and I've got the flour. Off we go again.
And are ready to drive home again.
Great digging, George. But it's not the hole we need. It's these. We need a few more, so do what I do, OK?
Mummy and George are making their gift for Daddy Pig. But George isn't sure what it is.
We just have to build it and paint it.
It's perfect.
Now that the cake is made, Mummy's Valentine's surprise is complete.
Oh,
George, where's Mummy?
Ta-da! Happy Valentine's Day!
Mummy Pig and George have made a huge love heart for Daddy Pig.
Wowee! I love it!
don't forget this.
Oh, you made this for me?
Of course, because we love you.
Peppa and George love making gifts for Valentine's Day, and Mummy and Daddy really love each other.